Will help you access the free audio tool in Capcut Mobile completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Assuming your video clip is deselected, go to the bottom left hand screen and click second option, audio. Here you have different options of free audio tools. Features Capcut Mobile is currently offering you. You click sounds, add a sound in Capcut Mobile. By clicking the plus icon on the bottom right hand screen, you can even access trending sounds. You can see Capcut Mobile has successfully added the sounds. Know how to access the free audio tool in Capcut Mobile completely for free.